and in that association, we'll be able to deal with a lot. Now, shall I ask you the third question, ladies and gentlemen? The most poisonous three-lettered word which challenges the we. अरे क्या बात है, सब तो आप तो लाइफ्स अमेजिंग सीक्रेट्स पहले से ही जानते हैं सब. हाँ. The three-lettered poisonous word which becomes such a challenge to cooperation and being we relationships is a big ego. And what a big ego! God, what a big ego people have. You know, such an air around the head for what they do. One beggar in Cup Parade. Beggars are who they are, na? Beggar in Cup Parade was chastising a bearer from Dharavi. Tu Dharavi ka hai, main Cup Parade ka. Arey, bikari hai dono. Both are beggars. Cup Parade or Dadar or Dharavi, what difference it makes? But such an ego. Main Cup Parade ka beggar tu. You're from Dharavi. God, what an ego, my God. Married life also. All relationships have problem because of ego. With spouses, with friends, with parents, with colleagues. All relationships issues, the we is threatened by this three-lettered word called ego. बड़ा भयंकर है नहीं ये शब्द? Big time. Hare Krishna. Religion में ego छूटता है? Does religious people are free from ego? You come and sing in front of Ganpati, Deva ho Deva, Ganpati Deva, तुमसे बढ़कर कौन, स्वामी तुमसे बढ़कर कौन, और तुम्हारे भक्त जनों में हमसे बढ़कर कौन, स्वामी हमसे बढ़कर कौन. They're not spared. Religion is not spared of ego. One religious man is thinking, I'm better than you. The other religious man is thinking, I'm better than you. What the heck? What the hell is going on here in this world? Where every other field, if ego is shown, we understand. Understand that people are not yet purified. People are not yet learned those higher things. In the field of religion, if people become a victim of ego and have communal conflicts, God, how shallow. How if we only understood that we're dealing with that same Father, that same God, and would be able to resolve these communal riots and these communal conflicts, which are all caused by nothing but a massive ego. God doesn't teach any of those things. We get blown up because of our practice and we start thinking this is the best. And goodness, the world has witnessed so many conflicts. Relationships fall apart only because of these ego. क्यों? सॉरी नहीं बोल सकते. क्यों नहीं सॉरी बोल सकते? SORRY. Magic word है ये. When genuinely spoken from the heart, this word is a magic word. When it comes from the deepest cores of the heart with meaning, Krishna makes the person understand that we genuinely feel sorry, not just say sorry. I have learnt a very beautiful sutra for my life. Maybe you will like it. Maybe you'll save a relationship out of it. I have saved many in the last 18 years. Many. Because of using this one sutra. Jot it down if you like. When you say a sorry to someone, that doesn't mean you are wrong. That just means you value the person more than being right. It doesn't mean you are wrong. कभी किसी को सॉरी बोला इसका मतलब आप गलत हो गए नहीं. You prefer to save the person than being right. You prefer the relationship more than being right. You are willing to keep the ego aside and transform that ego into humility. To say ठीक है, आपका गधा आगे, मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. आपका गधा है, मेरा घोड़ा है, लेकिन आपका गधा आगे, मेरा घोड़ा पीछे. You know, when a man who says sorry when he's wrong is called honest. A man who says sorry when he's not sure is called wise. And a man who says sorry even when he's right is called husband. क्या करे नहीं? Oh my God. I must tell you, Srila Prabhupada, the founder of ISKCON, would always say, we have to transform ego into real ego to learn that we are servants to God. And we are servants to the servants of God. When we learn to be a servant in our attitude and serve others, transforming into humility, a lot of relationships are saved. नहीं तो relationship में गड़बड़ हमेशा चलता रहता है. One lady, husband was traveling, so she called up her husband, saying, hello. He says, hello. How are you? He said, how are you? You are teasing me? He said, you're teasing me? खाना खा लिया? He said, खाना खा लिया? The lady said, अच्छा opportunity है. She said, I love you. Husband said, खाना खा लिया मैंने. मैंने खाना खा लिया, ये तो मैं रिपीट नहीं कर सकता. A lot of conflicting situations come only because of the ego. And therefore, the most poisonous three-lettered word which threatens the we is ego. What should we do? We should transform it. Transform it into real ego, where we are willing to bend down. झुकिए, झुकना सीखिए. जब तक झुकना नहीं सीखेंगे ना, तब तक रिश्तों को बनाए रखना असंभव है. Till the time we do not learn how to bend down and say, ठीक है भाई, sorry, गलती हुई. Doesn't matter. गलती हुई बोलने में क्या जाता है? क्या जाता है? Even if you are right, क्या जाता है? वजन जाता है? नहीं जाता ना. वजन घटेगा? Well, I'm sorry. 4 किलो गया. अच्छा है गया तो अच्छा है गया. 4 किलो गया तो अच्छा है. ऐसे भी मोटा हो रहा है. There is, when people, sometimes when guys go to swim, na, they don't need the tire only. It's just around them now. They'll never drown. होता है ना एक safety guard. वो कैसे घुसेंगे तो भी floating अपने आप हो जाएगा. What happens to her? Don't worry, And therefore transform ego into humility. You know what is the most used 4-lettered word?